Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Live 670. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, take a look at the right Earcup. Right here we've got this control panel. Let's start from this side. Right here we've got the switch, thanks to which we can turn the headphones on and off. Here we've got the switch, thanks to which we can change volume or select next song by pressing and holding this button, or previous song by pressing and holding this button. Then, if you press once the middle button, you will stop or play music, or answer or end the calls. If you press and hold it, you will mute or unmute microphone during calls or activate voice assistant. Now we've got this panel right here. Thanks to Bluetooth button, you can activate pairing mode. Thanks to this button, you can activate noise cancelling by pressing once, ambient aware by pressing once, or tag through by pressing twice. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.